Well, one of the things that I've thought about in terms of Cleveland and philanthropy and the work that's being advanced through people, we have a big problem in Cleveland. And every time I look out the window of the car and I see people living in tents and on the street, covered up, I just think Cleveland has too much to offer to allow that to continue. Because when you pass a person living in the street and you say, oh, that's so sad, what else? I mean, after that. So my thought is, if through this work we can get people focused on that, and when I say people, I mean the people in this room and their ability to influence the mayor, the county executive, and other key people, but the two of them are key, because this is more than about dollars. It is about your spirit, your time, and some of your core values. Philanthropy is your heart and your soul.